A common misconception is that preparing fresh, nutritious foods is more expensive than buying cheap, unhealthy, highly processed foods. Nothing could be further from the truth. In this episode, we're going to look at the economics of operating a miko, or first food responder, commercial kitchen, buying fresh ingredients and making healthy and affordable meals for our communities. A secret to our recipe for success is planning fiber-rich, anti-inflammatory meals. Today I'm joined again by Dr. Joel Rauchwerger, former faculty at Baylor College of Medicine, and an expert in preventive medicine and the relationship between inflammation, diet, and stress.
There's a whole new model in medicine, and it's called inflammatory diseases. Just like the name says, Alexia, it's based on inflammation. There's two types of inflammation, the good and the bad. The good is short-term, and it lasts about 24, 48 hours, and it's Mother Nature's way of just healing a bruise or quick infection. With medicine now, the new information is that chronic inflammation is not good. The connection now with the food you eat, it boils down to, if you do not have enough fiber in the diet, then what happens is you get leaky gut. The bacteria from the small intestine leak into our blood system. And just like a knee jerk, the body will send out tons of immune cells called antibodies, and that dial is never turned off. So now I'm walking around constantly with chronic inflammation. The best way to turn it off is actually the diet that you designed, the 23 ingredients, because you're putting in the beautiful food for the microbiome called the soluble fiber. We cannot digest it, but they can. And remember, in addition to all the benefits for the brain to help out anxiety and depression, soluble fiber becomes the food for the bacteria so they do not eat away at the precious one-cell thick lining that we have.
We know that people live better, healthier, longer lives when they treat food as their best medicine. When you feed your microbiome its favorite food, it produces stress-reducing GABA, mood-enhancing serotonin, dopamine for motivation, and the rock star chemical butyric acid. For miko and first food responder chefs, there are food purchasing strategies that support the health of your customers and benefit the bottom line of your business.
When doing bulk, if storing, when balancing purchase, like pastas and stuff, you can buy your bulk, storage your bulk. When doing vegetables, obviously it's like a shorter range of purchase because you don't want it to go bad. Bulk at Cisco, cups, plates, storageable stuff, pasta, rice. You can get all your bulk there, but when scoring your vegetable, maybe go over to Whole Foods. You can get some of the happy vegetables that are crowd pleasers through Whole Foods, and then get your staple stuff through Costco. Leafy is an affordable vegetable because it's not really pricey. So when I give my spring mix, I go with organic because it's not a wallet buster, and that's where all the goodies are. You get a good size of organic spring mix for $5 usually. Cooking is a business just like anything else. When purchasing on food, not going too far and purchasing such expensive products or ingredients that your profit margin dwindles, but without giving up the quality. When working towards your ratio, about 25% of that could go towards your food as a generalized norm. And then, about 75% goes back to you as profit.
It doesn't matter if you're ordering food in volume from a food distributor like Cisco, or even picking up fresh ingredients from a local farmer's market. The goal is the same. Remember, it's less expensive to feed people healthy food than it is to prepare meals that can inflame their gut and lead to sickness. Healthy fiber-rich foods activate Mother Nature's pharmacy inside your gut and help you prevent, reduce, or reverse most diseases.